Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Vic Thapar. He's running for town council for the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Vic.
Thank you, Brad, for having me here. Thank you.
So I wanted to get to know a little bit more about you. How'd you end up in Orangeville, and tell us a little bit about your background?
Absolutely, I'll be happy to tell about my background. As Brad already mentioned, my name is Vic Thapar. I'm from Punjab, India, and now I'm a Canadian citizen. Back home, I completed my qualification in medicine. I did MBBS, which stands for Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. So I worked as a general practitioner back home in India. And I was in the government hospital. And during my free time in evening, I used to run a volunteer clinic over there. And all the expenses were taken care of me and my family, because back home, the medical is all paid, right? You have to pay, and poor people, those who cannot afford for the medication, they used to come to my clinic. I'll give them free prescriptions and the free medication, whatever was possible. And then I came to Canada in 2009. I came to Alberta, Edmonton, and I started my career over there with the Alberta Employment and Immigration Department. And then I started Home Depot as my part-time job over there. And then fortunately, I got opportunity to move to Orangeville in 2012, and I lived at Broadway for 5-6 years, and then I last year moved to 16 Westdale. So right now I'm working with the Home Depot Orangeville. I work as a supervisor, and I manage ProDesk and tool rental. So while working there, I'm able to help a lot of people who have any questions. I help them with best of my ability. And back home, I used to help people with the medication. Unfortunately, I couldn't do it here. So right now, I'm helping people, and that's my motive. That's why I want to run for the council as well, so that I can help people. Helping people gives me so much pleasure and satisfaction. So to achieve that, I just want to run for the elections. And my voters, I request you, please vote for me. Thank you.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much for introducing us, and it's great meeting you today, Vic. If you'd like to see some more videos on Vic and see what else he has to say, please don't hesitate to take a look at the links below, and thank you for watching.